What happens when you drink cabbage juice every day for 30 days? The results might surprise you. I've always been fascinated by alternative health remedies, and I stumbled upon cabbage juice while researching natural ways to improve digestion. The concept of drinking cabbage juice daily for 30 days seemed a bit unusual, but I was intrigued by its potential benefits. After all, who wouldn't want to give their body a natural detox and reboot? As I delved deeper, I found that cabbage juice has been used for centuries to treat various health issues, from ulcers to arthritis. With its high concentration of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it seemed like a no-brainer to give it a try. Cabbage juice is like a natural chill pill for your body. It's packed with compounds that help cool down inflammation, which is often at the root of many health issues. Whether you're dealing with joint discomfort, digestive problems, or just feeling off, drinking cabbage juice can help calm things down from the inside out. Thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, drinking this juice may alleviate those annoying seasonal sniffles and sneezes. It works by calming the body's inflammatory responses, which can be a game-changer for those who struggle with allergies. It's not just about masking the symptoms, it's about giving your body what it needs to fight the inflammation at its source. Think of it as a simple way to help your body feel lighter, less swollen, and more at ease. Another fantastic benefit is its support for eye health. Cabbage is rich in beta-carotene, a nutrient that our bodies convert into vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision. Regular consumption of cabbage juice can contribute to healthier eyes and may help protect against age-related vision issues. So, not only are you helping your gut and managing your weight, but you're also giving your eyes some love. Let's talk about the gut for a second. If you've ever felt that bloated, heavy feeling after eating, or dealt with random stomach cramps, you're definitely not alone. Digestive issues are incredibly common, and they can affect everything from your mood to your energy levels. Your gut is going to love cabbage juice. It's loaded with fiber and soothing nutrients that can help everything run smoothly, from breaking down food to keeping you regular. If you've been feeling a bit sluggish or dealing with that uncomfortable bloated feeling, adding a glass of cabbage juice to your routine might be just the thing. Plus, it contains natural compounds that can help heal and protect the lining of your stomach, making it a great choice for anyone who wants to keep their digestive system happy and healthy. Cabbage juice can be a great addition to your weight management journey. It's low in calories but still filling, thanks to its fiber content. That means you can sip on it without worrying about packing on extra calories while still feeling satisfied. Plus, it helps keep your metabolism in check, giving your body a little nudge to burn fat more efficiently. It's not a magic potion, but when combined with a healthy lifestyle, it can definitely help you stay on track with your weight goals. When it comes to keeping your heart healthy, cabbage juice has some serious perks. It's rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help protect your heart by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Cabbage juice can also play a role in lowering cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure, both of which are essential for heart health. So, sipping on this juice isn't just refreshing, it's also a small, simple step toward keeping your heart in top shape. Cabbage juice might not be the first thing you think of for strong bones, but it actually packs a punch. It's full of essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, which are all key players in maintaining bone density and strength. Vitamin K, in particular, helps improve calcium absorption and bone mineralization, reducing the risk of fractures as you age. So, adding cabbage juice to your daily routine can be an easy way to give your bones the support they need to stay strong and resilient. When it comes to keeping your skin looking youthful, cabbage juice is like a natural beauty booster. It's loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene that help fight off free radicals, which are responsible for wrinkles and other signs of aging. Plus, the vitamin C in cabbage juice promotes collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Drinking it regularly can give your skin that fresh, glowing look while helping to protect it from the effects of time. Cabbage juice is more than just a nutritious drink, it's also a natural defender against cancer. It contains special compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbonyl, which have been shown to help block the growth of cancer cells and even encourage the body to get rid of them. By adding cabbage juice to your routine, you're giving your cells some extra support to stay healthy and fend off harmful changes. It's not a cure, but it can definitely be part of a proactive approach to keeping cancer at bay. If you're looking to keep your blood sugar in check, cabbage juice might just be a helpful ally. It's naturally low in sugar and contains nutrients that support insulin function, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in cabbage can improve the way your body uses glucose, making it a great choice for people managing diabetes or just wanting to avoid blood sugar spikes. It's a simple, natural way to help keep your energy steady throughout the day. One of the great things about cabbage juice is how easy it is to incorporate into your diet compared to eating whole cabbage. Let's face it, sometimes, munching on a hefty serving of raw cabbage can feel a bit overwhelming. But when you turn that cabbage into juice, it's much more manageable and often more enjoyable to drink. Not only does this make it simpler to consume, but it also means you can pack in a lot more nutrients in a smaller volume. For instance, the juicing process helps break down the cell walls of the cabbage, which can enhance the absorption of certain nutrients, like beta-carotene. This means your body might be able to utilize these nutrients more effectively from the juice than from raw cabbage alone. Let's be honest, cabbage juice isn't always the most exciting drink. But don't worry, there are plenty of simple ways to enhance its flavor and make it more enjoyable. One easy trick is to add a sweet element, like a crisp apple. Just chop it up and blend it with the cabbage for a delightful sweetness that balances out the earthiness of the cabbage. If you're looking for a refreshing twist, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can do wonders. Not only does it add a zesty kick, but the vitamin C from the lemon also boosts the juice's antioxidant properties. Another great addition is ginger. Just a small piece can add a spicy warmth that complements the cabbage nicely and has its own health benefits, like supporting digestion. For a savory touch, consider adding a pinch of sea salt or even a dash of pepper. This can enhance the natural flavors of the cabbage without overpowering it. You can also get creative by blending cabbage juice with other vegetable juices like carrot or cucumber, for a refreshing mix that packs even more nutrients while improving the taste. Now, you might be wondering, is it safe to drink cabbage juice every day? The good news is that for most people, it's perfectly fine. But like with anything, moderation is key. While cabbage juice is packed with nutrients and can be very beneficial, drinking too much of it too quickly might overwhelm your digestive system, especially if you're not used to high-fiber foods. Some people may experience gas or mild stomach cramps when they first start drinking cabbage juice daily. This is usually just your body adjusting to the increased fiber, but if it feels uncomfortable, try starting with a smaller amount and gradually increasing the serving size. Also, if you have an existing thyroid condition, be cautious with raw cabbage juice. Cabbage contains goitrogens, which in large quantities might interfere with thyroid function. Cooking or steaming cabbage can reduce these compounds, so it's worth considering if you're concerned. Overall, cabbage juice is safe for most people to drink every day, but listening to your body is always the best approach. If you notice any digestive discomfort, just scale back a bit, and give your system time to adjust. You can also check out my other video that talks about what happens to your body when you start taking turmeric every day. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below and like this video. Remember to turn on the notification bell.